Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to show business data quarterly. Here is a sales and I want to show these sales quarterly. Quarterly means first quarter means Jan to March, and quarter 2 means April to June, and quarter 3 means July to August, and quarter 4 represent September to December data. Now select all your data first and go to the insert and click pivot table and click OK. It will display the pivot table option. Now drag the cells into the sum values and drag the date into the rows. It will show the data yearly wise, but I want to show these data quarterly. Drag the years here. It will show the data quarterly. Now in quarter 1 the total sales are 1,97,500. In quarter 2 2,44,000. That's where you can show these data quarterly.